down here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And hey, a convertible, 1986 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. 1986, of course, marked the return of the Corvette convertible. This car does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Miles confirmed, 86,400 approximately. We'll take a look at that when we start it out. Check out the interior. Check out under the hood. Listen to it run. Now, as far as paint does show its age a little bit, like you see in some of these early C4s. Been some little touch-up along the way on it. And sometimes you get a little bit of that fade between body panels or components. You do have a little bit of that going on in this one. Of course, the 5.7 liter 350 TPI engine underneath the hood of this one, and that is paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Nicely equipped vets. Actually broke the $30,000 threshold as far as the MSRP went with the convertibles back in '86. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Official pace car decals on this one. May 25th of '86. Those are actually included in all of the Corvette convertible models if the owner decided to put them on. That was up to their choosing or not. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Don't see a lot of these '86 convertibles. There was only about 7,300 of them built approximately. I think that was, I don't know if it was in the 15-18% of all Corvettes made that year, but I know it was not a lot of them. A couple other new things in '86 was the marriage of the Bosch ABS system and the Corvette. So first year with ABS brakes. Also the anti-theft system. 84 and 85, believe it or not, 7% of all Corvettes were stolen. So General Motors came up with the anti-theft system. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Here's a spot where you can see a little bit of that fading from the top being up and the part that was in the sun. So you have a little bit of that. Paint does have a decent shine to it, though, as you can see. But got to consider the age of the vehicle and the condition. But if you're looking for a Corvette that doesn't break the bank, you have a little fun in and drive, here you go. Red leather interior. Of course, you would have had power seat on the driver's side on this one. Let's go ahead and check out condition of leather. You have your lumbar and your power seat functions also. Isn't any real rips or tears, but you do show some of the wrinkling and wear in the leather again. Gotta remember the age of the car. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Check out those exact miles. We'll listen to it run. Check out that engine bay. FYI, it does have a Rockford Fosgate aftermarket stereo in it. And then behind, you are going to see an amp back there. I can get you that, an amp and a speaker system back there also. And FYI, in the still pictures, this dash mat is on there. It is not covering anything up though. So check out the still pictures. The dash is in fine shape. Of course, you can toggle between readings on the instrument cluster. Let's take a look at the rest of the dash. So you can theoretically go between oil pressure, oil temp, coolant temp, volts by the flip of a switch. We see coolant temp up there, says low. That's not coolant level, that's coolant temp. Hit the switch, we can go to volts also, or you can completely turn it off. Let's go to the one down below that. That's average miles per gallon was reset, so it's at 0. Instant miles per gallon, we're not going anywhere, so it's still at 0 or off. Trip, off, or range. That's going to calculate how far you can go on your gas, but since it was reset, it's going to be at 0 until you started driving. And then, of course, oil pressure up there you can see, or how about oil temp? Oil temp is also low, just like the coolant temp. So all of those toggle switches and the digital cluster in working order. Exact miles, 86,401. Nice sounding car. All right. Slip around to the back seat here, front. Nice deep throaty sound to this one. Again, 5.7 liter 350 TPI engine underneath the hood. Tuned port injection, as you can see here, right here. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood open. Check out that engine bay. And pretty stock looking underneath here. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Tread on the front wheels looks good, and you can see the tread depth on the rear wheels in the still pictures. Also have a picture of the RPO code, the VIN, if you want to check out any of that. And again, undersides of the car, interior, little trunk compartment under the rear hatch where the convertible top goes. There'll be pictures of the convertible top up, and we will wind this video up here too with that top up, so I can at least show you what kind of shape that's into. There's a black cloth convertible top. So there's the engine bay. Pause this real quick and show you that convertible top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Again, I don't see any real rips, tears, holes. Of course, it is manual, functions as it should, very easy going up and down. Need to stay out of the sun or keep you dry, it's going to serve that purpose just fine. Latches up nice and tight, as you can see in the front. And again, black cloth. There you go, looking for a drop top Corvette that won't break the bank. 1986 C4 Chevrolet Corvette. Pace car, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call them.